AI bookkeeping. I'm sure you're all hearing about it in the headlines. I am Vicki Watkins, and I actually operate my very own virtual bookkeeping business, and I help other women do the same thing. So, I want to share with you what I'm seeing behind the scenes with AI bookkeeping. What I'm seeing is that I actually had a new client reach out to me just this last week, and they have a brick and mortar. Well, what they're wanting is they have been using AI bookkeeping services, and this is a very competent business owner. When I say competent, he's been very successful with his brick and mortar, plus he has an online business too that he's operating. And again, he reached out to me. He's like, Vicki, I need a little bit of help with 2024. And so I was like, okay, so you pretty much need help with the cleanup. And he's like, yeah, that's what I need. Now, the other part of the story is I've been using AI bookkeeping, but it's not doing everything I need it to do. And he knows what it should be doing. So I am going to go in and look and see what's going on with that and help him get his books cleaned up. What I want to tell you is the reality is AI bookkeeping is a tool, but the tool is only as good as the person behind the tool pushing the buttons. What I'm seeing is that business owners still 100% need bookkeepers behind the scenes helping them with all this technology. Okay. So, what I want you to do is stay encouraged. Know that nothing trumps human relationships and human presence. Nothing trumps it. It just doesn't. And I have been in this industry for over 20 years. I have watched it evolve from paper. Like I learned how to do tax returns when you had to use pen and paper with the forms in my accounting class in college. Like that's where I came from. So I have watched the world of accounting evolve over 2 decades. And here we are sitting with AI in front of us. And I don't want you to get nervous or fearful. There's no place for that because I'm telling you, when you have a heart to teach and to learn from your clients and serve them well, we're not going to be replaced. There's no way we will be. So now, do I believe that there will be tools available for us with AI to help make our bookkeeping services we offer go a lot faster, be more efficient? Absolutely. But I want to give you an example of how a conflict I see right now with AI bookkeeping and real life clients. I have a rental company client. She's a realtor. Okay. So she has rental properties. Well, she has, say, $10,000 dumps into her bank account. That $10,000 is made up of some of her rental incomes, some of her um, selling of a house. It's multiple things and some fees that come out of it. I have to go in and itemize that income for her. And that's not something that, as it dumps into that software, can be done. That detail of the income going into multiple places is something that can't be replaced because it's coming into the bank. And so AI software will dump it right into an income account, which is great. But when the client's wanting the details, it's going to take a human on the other side to go in and break that out. So just this morning, I had this conversation. We had a whole training in my group about AI and bookkeeping. If you are growing your bookkeeping business, that means you can have 0 clients or you can have 1 client. Wherever you are, you may have 10 clients. Join my community. There are links below of my Facebook groups, my programs, how you can work with me. Jump in so that you're staying tuned in to what the marketplace is telling us. AI is here. It's not going anywhere. However, as bookkeepers, we are learning to lean into that and see how we can work alongside the software to help our industry and to help our clients. Because I'm telling you, you cannot replace human interaction. And we are here to stay. Accounting is not going away. and bookkeepers are needed. I'm telling you, from a small town in South Carolina, that I just had the conversation with a very successful bookkeeping business owner who needs my services, and they've been using AI bookkeeping. So they have reached out to me to help them come in and look through things and figure out some stuff. So I'm telling you, we can do this. Stay encouraged. We've got this. Jump into my groups so that you are staying plugged in with the people in the industry who are keeping their thumbs on it. I have clients myself. I help people build their bookkeeping businesses, but I also have clients. I have bookkeeping clients that I'm helping every single day. So jump in. You're in the right place. Welcome aboard, and I will be seeing you very soon.